Good morning, Coffee Time friends. How y'all doing? Guess who got invited to one of Mama's brunches? Me. I got up early this morning, had my coffee. I had an errand to run, and Mama come in, and Mama had fixed this beautiful brunch. And I said, "Wow, I can't believe I caught you live in action with a beautiful brunch." She said, "You ain't caught me nothing. I done eat." Mama, tell them. You wait for nobody, do you?
No.
She said, "I didn't know if you was ever coming back. I can't fool with you." But look what she left me. She left me biscuits and pork chops and gravy. And she's frying me an egg. Mama, you are the best one ever.
Let me have your food.
As I tell you often, this bed and breakfast is so nice, I am coming back. What are y'all up to? I hope y'all are having a great Saturday. I hope you're ready for a great Saturday. We've got some more errands to run. Mama's got to go this time. She's going to have to go and get her stuff done. We're out of bread. That's not Southern of us, is it? You don't run out of bread in the South. Or if it snows. I know it's August. But anyhow, you don't run out of bread. We're going to go get some bread. We're going to go by the post office, see if there's anything down there for us. We may go by the farmer's market. If there's anything great, we'll come on and show y'all the farmer's market. I don't think we've shown y'all this year, have we? I don't believe so. But if anything's down there that, if there's not a lot of people either, I don't like to film people without their permission, and it's awkward to go and say, "I'm going to be filming. Do you care if we..." It just gets awkward, and if there's so many of them, you can't ask them all. But we'll try to at least maybe, if I come live and it's just me close up, and then I flip down and show you some fruits and vegetables, you'll know there's a crowd. But we got some stuff to do today. Mama's got an agenda. You know, she said the other day, we ain't doing nothing. Y'all heard her. I've got it on recording.
We're not planning nothing.
That was a trick, folks. That was a trick. Because as soon as we started talking, there was 3 things surfaced. And it's just 10:30. I'm sure there's going to be more. That's all right. I don't care. I want to show you this. This is one reason I wanted to show you this. This is Mama's beautiful tomatoes. Now, you notice how I picked them up just gentle as a kitten, and I'm holding them straight up, and I'm not sloshing them because you ain't really supposed to touch them for 24 hours in Mama's theories. But I'm barely gently touching this one to show y'all how beautiful. I showed you a picture last night. Those are the tomatoes she canned last night, and it took her about 15 more minutes or 20. So we would have been on a long time. I'm going to gently lay this kitten back down, okay? Just like that. Didn't even hear it click, did you? Because I'm being gentle. But if the worst case scenario happens and that one comes unsealed, don't you think I won't eat that to keep it from going bad, Mama? I'll throw that over some elbow macaroni, and it'll be like Thanksgiving here. Look here, I see something else I like too. Oh, I didn't Jaws it. Look at that. There's y'all's picture. Mama says, "Don't put it on her." Look at this y'all's picture. Y'all know we keep our peach tea in there. And then look here. This is what, Mama? I bet you it's sweet tea.
Yes, sir.
So that's sweet tea over there. Sweet tea and y'all's tea. The y'all's tea is sweet too. So it's just Sugar City here. Did you make any unsweet yet?
There's some in the refrigerator.
Oh, there's some in the refrigerator. We always keep 3 gallons going all the time. And it's always y'all's. It's always y'all's sweet tea, y'all's peach tea, and y'all's unsweetened tea. Now, y'all's brand is y'all's sweet tea. There's no sugar in their tea. That is just the name because it's Southern. Y'all's sweet tea. You put your own sugar. Because I love unsweet tea. In fact, it's my favorite. Besides peach. Now I love that peach, and they're going to come out with raspberry. It'll be here for long. I can't wait for that. Mama's favorite flavor is raspberry. I would love orange tea. I love orange tea too, because I buy oranges and mush them up and have them for that too. But it's the weekend, and we always have fresh tea on Saturday mornings. In case y'all don't have a rhythm or routine on that, make your fresh tea on Saturday mornings. Mama usually makes it on Wednesdays. Sometimes on Thursdays if we just make 1 gallon. But she makes 3 gallons.
How much we drink.
She makes 3 gallons every Saturday morning about it. All right, Mama. You got my eggs ready. Look here. And I've got pork chops, biscuits, and gravy. I'm going to eat this before it gets cold. And I'm just blessed to be invited today because Mama has brunch often. And
I don't have this kind of brunch. I may have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or a sausage biscuit or
I'm glad you invited me today, Mama.
something simple. I don't have this.
I was totally and truly surprised.
And these biscuits, I just scooped them out. I didn't
Oh, they're good.
fancy.
Here's my baby biscuit I bet.
Yeah.
Look, Mama always makes me a baby biscuit.
And your daddy used to say that's his.
Yeah, and then I get mad. Fired up. Folks, I don't know what we're going to be doing. We may not get back today. Don't hold it against us if we don't. We may get lost up in Amish country somewhere. With no signal. Who knows where we're going to end up. When Mama's little mind gets to going, Mama's feeling good today, ain't you, Mama?
Pretty good, I say I am.
She's a feeling good. I'm a feeling good. And when we're feeling good, we're dangerous. Dangerous. It's untelling. It's flat out untelling where we'll end up. We may start to the post office and to the grocery store, and she may say, you know, we ought to run on up to Amish country and get us a new something. Watermelons, some little baby cantaloupes or something. I said, okay, let's go, Mama. She may say, I bet you they got some good stuff at the thrift store today. And I said, let's go, Mama. We may set out on a 1 hour trip and be a 2 or 3 hour trip. But that's about the max because we get back. You get too tired if you stay out all day. We stay out 2-3 hours and we're back home, ain't we, Mama?
Yeah.
And then we've got a to-do list to do today. Ain't done nothing, she said. I was misled.
That way you slept good last night so you can rest up.
I was misled.
Oh, you're so mistreated.
Well, you've made up for it, Mama. With a meal like this, how can I say no?
That's right.
Mama, come over and say goodbye. They've done seen.
Oh, Lord. You should have put it on me. I told you not to. I wasn't ready for nothing.
You look cute as a button.
Comb my hair this morning.
Well, you let that get out of bed?
Yeah.
You ought to start putting a little more effort in the daily because you look just as good now as you do then. Mama, you always look good.
Oh, no. I have not even brushed my hair.
Well, it looks good. You must not have wallered the bed. Y'all waller the bed.
I do waller.
You not, Mama. Your hair looks good.
No, it don't. You shouldn't have put me on here.
She won't say a word about it when I turn it off either. Y'all have a great day. Have a blessed day. Say goodbye, Mama.
Goodbye, Mama. God
Promise
bless
me you ain't going to hurt me.
Bye-bye.
Y'all have a blessed day.
Bye-bye.
Lord willing, we'll see you later. We may even cook something later on. Bye.
Bye.